Hi guys, welcome back to the channel Forex Trading School. Thank you for coming back, and today, this is June. We are at Forex Trading School. Learn it right, learn it free. Today we are going to talk about some trades update, and uh, we are having, let me change the title to my video first. Today is 11 August. Been 5 days since I last live stream, and we have already taken profit on our live stream. We made a few losses. Of course, we are going to analyze our losses, and after that you'll learn more about. So now at Forex Trading School, what we promote is learn it right, learn it free. I'm June, and I'm here because I want to teach you how to trade Forex. You can find me at, this is my Twitter over here. Then live session. Last time I used to do daily live, but I hope I can do it again. So this is the quote by Warren Buffett. It takes 20 years to build a reputation and 5 minutes to ruin it. If you think about that, you will do things differently. Of course, at here we teach free Forex trading, and I hope every one of you learn it the right way and not make a loss. Basically, if you are new to Forex, please start with a demo account. Please don't do anything with real money yet until you are familiar with the trading platform that you are using. So today's live session, we'll find a high probability trade, 20 pips trade as usual, but I don't think it's such an easy task in current market condition, and learn how to trade responsibly and follow your trading plan. So I've learned how to day trade effectively, and I hope all of you will learn this together with me. And how to day trade correctly, we must understand the risk, taking the right trade and focus on your trading plan. Never chase a trade, meaning if you have lost the trade, you see that price came back into your buy zone but you didn't buy in, then never chase it, because you would never know that would be the right trade because you are buying at a higher price. And I hope you guys understand. Then stick to your trading plan. Okay, let me get my sound on my earpiece. Hi, can I hear? Hi, hello, hello. No. Is this the right one? No. Is this the right one? Hello, hello. I don't know why I can't seem to be hearing my desktop audio. Is this the right one? Let's play some videos. Okay, give me some time. Let me try to video done. Forex Trading School. Let's try some sound just in case you guys hear me over here. My channel videos. Let's play it. Can you guys hear me? It is playing. Not really. Music. Let's try some music. The playing. Okay, give me a moment. I'll be back. Let's see this. Okay, give me a moment. I'll be back. Let me try my sound. I don't understand why it's not working. Okay, let's create it. Can hear my mic? Sure, but I'm not able to hear myself. Okay, is it working? Hi, testing. Hi, testing. Oh, okay. Okay, can I hear myself now? Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Okay, I can hear myself finally. Let's start so that you guys can hear me as well. Get into presentation. I was talking about never chase a trade. If you don't understand, let me get it softer. It's too loud on my. Hi, testing 3 2 1 1 2 3. No, it's still too loud for me. Give me a moment. Okay, let's get it softer. Okay, you guys can hear me now better? I think so. So let's carry on. We were talking about not chasing the trade. So even if you lose 11 trades in a row, remember to stick to your trading plan and follow your trade, because to start trading you would have a demo account which have 100 trades, and you will know your probability. Maybe you are 50% profitable, then with a 1:2 risk ratio you will always be making money. So you need to calculate your risk to reward ratio, and your trading plan must be consistent. Okay, today we are, as usual, on our live stream. We are always emphasizing on the importance of the engulfing candlestick pattern, and in which time frame do we need to look out for engulfing patterns. The week, the daily, the hourly, the 4 hourly, the 1 hourly, or the 15 minute. And how to do it effectively. Basically, I always focus on the 4 hour for the engulfing pattern, but we will find our trend on the weekly and the daily before deciding on the 4 hourly which direction we are going to trade. So you need to remember risk, reward, and time. These are the three big factors in trading. So timing is of course the most important, but we are not able to time the market so perfectly. So we need to understand risk and reward. Time day in day out you need to do it. So when you reach your take profit, just take profit. Do not let the trade continue run and end up earning lesser. So this is the trading result since November. I haven't been updating, but this is the chart we need to update soon. Okay, and you need to remember the trading time zone. New York, Europe, Tokyo, Sydney, everyone has a different time zone. So if you are in New York, the time you wake up 9 a.m. is different from Europe time. So I'm in Singapore. Basically at 4 p.m. when Europe wake up, it's 4 p.m. here. Just nice lunch break. But when New York wake up at 9 p.m. in the morning, in Singapore it's about 9 p.m. at night. So you understand, New York, Europe, Tokyo, Sydney, everyone have a different time zone, and when the market has the highest volatility, it's between New York's opening and Europe's closing. That's where the most traders are active. You need to convert to your own time zone, the New York opening and the Europe closing, depending on where on the world are you at. So we will stop this channel once we earn 89,526, 124 pips. I know this amount of money, 90,000, basically about 90,000, and I think I will not be conducting this free trading anymore. It will be there for you to learn. I will not take down, probably it will be there, but live stream will stop. This is our target, 730 days. Hopefully we achieve as soon as possible. Our process is easy. We'll find a profitability, then enter the trade and take profit. Okay, tools and technique for my trading. We have the 50 moving average. We have the 200 moving average. What is a moving average? It takes the combined open or combined close of the 50 days moving average. Then they will divide for you and there will be a line drawn. Later you will see what's a 50 moving average and what's a 200. Normally I will be using the 200-day moving average, the Ichimoku Kinko Hill. This is a Japanese technique. that I picked up and it has stayed with me till date. I've relied on this indicator since 2012. Basically, it shows the trend, and if you don't know how to read this, you can find how to interpret Ichimoku Kinko Hyo. Everyone has a different technique, but generally speaking, when price breaks out of the cloud, then people will go long, and when price break below the cloud, people will go short. And the fourth one that I rely on heavily is the supply and demand. This is another important concept about executing trades. Most of our trade will be executed when 1, 2, 3, 4 are in confluence. Okay, this will be our entry time zone, 4 hour. Like I said, I will always decide my direction on the weekly and the daily, then I'll go to the 4 hour to enter. And this is the most important part. We need to have a moving stop loss. When we are 50 pips in profit, try to move your stop loss to break even. That means that we are always monitoring the market. And at break even, I mean if you are leveraging, you will go to your leveraging cost. If you are, so that's break even. If you guys don't know how to count, comment down below and I'll teach you soon. This was on 18 May 2020, one trade, and we had, I can't remember, 0 pips. We break even because we shifted. Okay, so now enough talking. There are still so many slides, but now let's go into the live analysis. Okay, on the Euro USD, if you remember, we were here few days back. We were here, this is just 2 weeks ago. We were here, and I think that we might have a chance of challenging sorry of challenging the 200 moving average over here. And indeed, it really broke out and it touched the moving average. This is a very classic pattern, and we have gone long since. You see the move and it came back down. One more time, I'll draw for you. It break out, it came back down. You see the 2 long wicks. This is a sign of weakness, meaning that price is going to go lower. Okay, but on the weekly time frame, you can see from a long-term perspective and a very long view. This is June 2008, $1.60. Euro USD was at this price, 2014 139, 2018 124. Hopefully we have a reverse in trend, meaning it goes higher. We are currently long here. We have just entered the trade and we are looking to take profit around the 125 level. So how do we decide when we enter? Very simple. On the weekly, you see there's a high chance of going higher. We'll bottom out here, 1.04, almost the bottom. On the daily, it's even more obvious. You can see there's a spike in price. It came back down and it went all the way up. The next best place to long, listen very carefully. The next best place to long is about here, where we have the demand zone. Hopefully it reach here and we go long, but for the time being, 1:2 reward risk to ratio. We have a very good long zone at here. Okay, if you do not like this zone, let's draw it lower. Over here there's one zone, over here there is another zone. Okay, which would be a good zone to long? You can decide for yourself. 1, 2, 3. If we enter here, 1:2, we'll lose 1% of our capital. If price breaks lower, if If price comes to here, we enter again 1%, 2%. And it breaks lower again, we lose 2%. And price comes to here and it break lower, we will be losing 3%. So these are the three trades. If you are not that risky, then my advice to you is wait for this to enter, and you will only risk 1% of your trade, which you see the 200 moving average coincides with the demand zone. So that's all I can say, but we are already in the trade. We have launched a app which is only for Google device so far on Play Store. We are still working for our iOS app launch. For the moment, we are only available on Play Store. So let's see. Give me a moment. Let me pull out my app. Let me find if I can get it. Give me a moment while I pull it up. Okay, I found my app. Let's go. Okay, you can go to the Play Store and you can find live Forex and stock trading signal by Work Harder. This is our app. Basically, you can download. We have everything inside, signals included, so you can learn to trade anytime, anywhere, and hopefully you get it right. Remember, do not start with real money. Always start with a demo account. Okay, we are back here on our trading view. This is where I first started. It's a free software you can download, and if you like, you can subscribe for the paid version. Next up, we are going to talk about Aussie. The Aussie is a very good pair to trade right now. Very good. As you can see, we were stopped out here, so let's delete it. It's over. It touched once. We missed this trade because I was out. I didn't see this trade. If I saw it, I would have taken it here, and maybe we will be in profit. But now we got another chance. You see on the daily, too many words. Let's use another chart. Okay, previously we bought in here, we sold here, but price pushed higher and it came back down. We already took profit too early, so this trade is gone. We were at break even or 1 pip, I can't remember, so let's delete this. We are looking price to go lower. Okay, I've already drawn the zone. This is the zone for long. We are looking for pullback because, as you can see, price has already challenged from March 2020 all the way to August. How many months is it? March to August, 5 months. We have been seeing an upward push for the longest time ever. There was a pullback over here once, twice, thrice, fourth. Okay, according to the Elliott wave theory, if you do not know, Elliott wave, there's 5 waves. The first up wave, 1 down. Second up wave, 1 down. This is the second time. Then we up and down third time. This is the fourth time and the fifth time. By right, Elliott wave, fifth wave, it should be completed. But you see on the weekly time frame, you will not see a 5-time Elliott wave. What you see now is a very bullish price action. We have the first wave up and flat, up and flat and up. Okay, maybe I draw it nicer. Up, flat, up, down, up. Okay, you count 1, 2 times. So hopefully we complete the 5 Elliott wave pattern. going back to the 93 in the long run, not so fast hopefully, but we don't know. Now currently, as you see on the weekly, we are going long. Price is very strong. I don't know what is keeping the price so strong, but I've joined my zone. We have a few zones to enter. This is the resistance which I've drawn previously on my previous live stream. If you have watched, you would know that we will be long here. There's a very clear demand zone over here as well, you see, right on the resistance. This is a very good price, and as usual, what is delete? Okay, over here, and as usual, you can either choose here or choose here. This zone we have tried 2 times, 1, 2, but we only got the first trade. It went up. We were stopped out already because price retraced more than 50 pips. Our trailing stop loss kicked in and we have already taken profit. So now we are going to look for the price. On the daily, you can buy at a low here if it comes back here, but highly unlikely. This is a good zone to buy in. So we'll wait for price movement. But if you have already made money like me previously, you can risk 1% on our trading. You can see touch one time. This is a very good zone, another demand zone. Do you think price will come back here? I think it's highly unlikely because we have already entered long here. One zone, so we have 2 trades. I'll be updating in the app. Following, we are still in the loss, so I can update and you guys can still chase the trade because it's still very near to my entry price. Then next up, the USD JPY. This is a trade that I'm still very uncertain. As you can see, there's long wicks. I still think that price is going to 110 before coming back down, but there's no conviction. Price is quite strong, but not that strong. It's not moving, so we'll just wait out this trade, not trade. We can not trade, we can just wait. It doesn't matter. You do not need to be in a trade every time, every day. You will not make money every day. When the trade is against you, do not take the trade. Just wait. In the next few days, we will have your chance. Similarly, on the GBP NZD, as you can see, we are at a crucial level as well, the 200 moving average. Let's close the KC channel. Better view for you. You see, we took our trade very low. We made quite a fair bit from this because price reversed. We will stop out here. We took our trade here and we will stop out here. Next wave up is coming. It respected the 200-day moving average, so we are still going long. Let me delete all the lines that I've just drawn. I believe you guys understood what I'm talking about. Let's delete. Now we are looking for a long. So where is the good long opportunity? Of course, on this red line, that's the best zone to go long again, but I think it's a difficult price zone to enter. Next price zone would be here. We have already touched it once and go up. We didn't enter because I don't know why I didn't enter. I was waiting for this zone lower 1.957, but I didn't get it. So currently on the 1 hour, if we were to buy in, this is a good point, but I think we will wait. If price breaks higher than the last high, we might chase the trade. When it break out and come back to test the resistance, we will go long. Meaning, let me draw for you to see if you can't understand what I'm talking. Currently price moves up, over, down, up, down, up, down. Okay, when it's here and it's here, we will long and price goes higher. Okay, hopefully that's the best case scenario, but most of the time when breakout happens, what I mean by breakout meaning is trading in the box, then it break out. Normally price don't come back and let you have a second chance of entry. If you have this chance, you must take it. So let's wait and see. Remember to set your position when the breakout. Once you see a breakout, you should long about here 1.98, good amount. Next we are going to see is the gold. This is my favorite pair. We are going to short this no matter what. On the weekly time frame, as you can see, back in 2011, gold peaked and it never came back. Basically, currently under the COVID-19 coronavirus, which was formerly known as the Chinese virus by President Trump, I think that we might have a chance of weakness in gold. We are back at 2000. What was the high? The high was 2075. Okay, let's calculate. Or rather, let's not calculate. Let's use the tool provided by TradingView. Very simple. We'll go from the high to the low. Okay, you want it to be as accurate as possible, so 2075.282, 2075.282. okay, put it in. This correct the high 2075.282, 2075.282, 2075.282. okay, what's the low? The low is 1990.196. okay, 1990.196. okay, basically 4 bars 4 days, we are down 4%. Let's compare with the last high. How many percent are we down? The daily. Let's see if we can get the chart, because I'm a free user. Hopefully I can go back to 2011. Yes, I do. Okay, let's go back. Go back. Okay, I don't know if we are right or wrong, but this will show. This is in 2 days. What's the move? The high is 1912.277, 1912.277. The low is, it took 3 days, only 3 short days. Remember, 3 short days. The low is 1703.147, 1703.147. okay, 4 bars 6 days. Why is it 6 days? Did I draw it wrongly? Only up to here. I think I drew it wrong. 2 bars? No. Oh, because it's weekend. Oh my god. Let me undo. Can I undo? Oh, because it's a weekend. I miss it out. Okay. Let's move it here. Bars. 4 bars. 1, 2, no. Okay, 2 bars. The low 1703.147, 1703.147. let's do a comparison. 2 bars 2 days, 10% down, almost 11% down. So let's see what happened. Now we are 4 bars 6 days, 4% down, not yet. If there's a 10% move, hopefully there's a 10% move and price re-challenge the high, we will sell at the high. So we are still waiting. This is a very high probability trade, and I hope every one of you will learn from this. If you are beginner, please take note, this is a very high probability trade for you to learn how to trade. And I'm still waiting for it to happen now, and let's have a double top. That would be a classic entry, re-entry here, over here. Okay, re-entry when price, what will happen? Let's lock everything. Lock. The next time on live stream, hopefully we can take this trade. Price goes up, down, we'll take our trade here. Okay, this is very obvious. I will leave it on. Next up, we'll go to Bitcoin, BTC, USD. Okay, if you are having Bitcoin and you have a Bitcoin wallet, that's the best way to play Bitcoin. I don't know if you have a Bitcoin wallet or not. Most trading platform, when you play Bitcoin, you do not own the Bitcoin. You only go with the difference to trade, and the platform will give you the difference. So if you are trading on a platform, beware, because when market is high volatility, they will stop this. So please be careful. Okay, you see I've drawn my line on the weekly. What do I expect? Very simple. If price break out and come back, we'll buy here. But unfortunately, you can see price has slowed down. I believe it will come back down to this level, 4,000 level. Okay, extending the 200-day moving average about here. This is a good price to buy in. At this zone, we are still waiting. You can see there's a channel. Okay, this is a channel, I believe here, somewhere around this zone, good buying zone, then BTC would fly. Okay, this is a very nice consolidation pattern which you will never miss. On the 4-hourly, let's take away all the lines first. This is not the first time I'm showing my analysis on Bitcoin. It has always been the same. We are still waiting patiently, and as you can see, candlestick have proven to be shown rejection. There are long wicks, 1 2 3 4 long wicks. If there's 6 long wicks, then I think a high chance would be a reversal. According to my trading, what I've been trading, when I see 6 long wicks at the top, there's high chance that there's a reversal pattern. This will be the peak. So where are we looking to buy? That's the most important point. It's not where we see, are we selling here? Definitely not, because we have a long-term view that Bitcoin is going higher back to the 20,000 zone. We are looking to buy. And where are we looking to buy? That's the important part. We are going to show you the Fibonacci retracement. This is a very good tool. You see, this was the last low. We'll just draw it. This is the last high. We'll draw in. From the high, you'll draw to the low. Okay, currently, as it shows, we should be reaching 14,609. This is the next zone to target. But currently, because we are on the resistance, we might reach there, but not so soon. That's what I feel. I may be wrong. So the next place you can buy in is here, 618. Okay, does it coincide with what I told you just now? I think it's totally the same, right? Yeah, the same. 6,000, 7,000, or it's a bit higher. Okay, so it's a bit higher, 7873. Okay, we'll see how when price moves closer to that zone. So Bitcoin is done. What other pair are we looking at? Oh, we are looking at the SPX, S&P 500. We are going back to the all-time high, and I believe we will never have another chance of buying in unless there's a double top that crash here, which is highly unlikely. Like the Nasdaq, you can see we are challenging new highs. I think you can forget about the crash. It's not coming back. So you see, this was the last high. Are we coming back? Not really. The best we can is challenge here. but it has already challenged once, you see. Very long reversal. And we missed it totally. We're too afraid. Here kick in. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 12 weeks only, and the trade ran away. We were too greedy, we didn't enter anywhere below, but when this happened, we didn't enter, so we're waiting. Hopefully, we get another chance, but I doubt so. Okay, this is my take on Nasdaq. Here's the next zone, but not easily attainable. Let's see what happened. What else do I have? I think that's all for today's trade. Thank you very much for watching. Remember to like if you see my video and you think that this is what you like, free education. Please click on the like button, and of course click on the subscribe and turn on the bell notification. Thank you very much for watching, and see you around. Bye.